Hey guys, Tacos 4867 here again, my third video today. And we're gonna be doing another video on natural disaster just because I think it's fun. Let's go right into it. No wasting time. I have about 6 minutes before I gotta go. I gotta go somewhere. So yeah, I got a little bit of time. And this might be my last video. Well, not my last video, but my last video on this game. Let me go ahead and reset because my character is like kind of, bouncing around the place. But you already know we're gonna go hop right into first person. First person is fun. So we're here again. Every time we start off, we always go here. But that's okay, right? Alright, so what's it gonna be this time? It's gonna be sandstorm. It's gonna be. I never survived down here. So. Yeah, it was an earthquake last time. Did I move, man? So last time was an earthquake. Last time was tornado! It's a tornado! It's a tornado! Oh! It's another tornado! Those who did watch my other video and read the description, or at least read the description of this video, it was a tornado. I never thought a tornado would take place in the party tower, but guess what? It is. It is a tornado taking place in the party tower. And this guy right here just gets the signal, riding on the thing, riding on the horse, so the tornado takes place. I'm gonna get that. Bruh, that thing is just taking up everything. Oh, jump. It's coming. Oh, it's like it's just cutting me off, bruh. Hey, come get me, sucker. Oh my gosh, that dude's about to die. Wait. Go! 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 That jump almost killed me, bro. Oh! Bro, what the world? It's like he's just following me. Alright. Oh, yes, we survived. Good job. We have to reset so we can get our health back. That's kind of cheap, but I just do that. I like it when the tornado hits though. It's really fun. Yeah, it's really fun in first person because like when you're looking in the screen, you don't get to see your character. It's kind of fun first person. But yeah, this is my third video today. My next video will probably be tonight. Might do a video tonight. Might be lots of noise in the background because like night is when we're busy. It might not. It might be cheap. I don't know. But come on. I don't know what's gonna be. But if it's another tornado, I'm just so happy. Bro, I haven't had a hurricane in a long time. I wonder if this is gonna be. If it's a hurricane, I'm gonna be standing right here waiting for it. As soon as I hear that hurricane coming. I see water right there. Oh, it's a blizzard. Man, it's always a blizzard. Why? I like a hurricane from tornadoes. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh no. I'm not supposed to go down. Good thing I did not go across. This is just taking place. fun. I like the natural disaster game. It's kind of fun. I started playing it about last week. Yeah, but anyways, like I said in my first video, sorry for trying to do lots of videos because like I haven't really been doing lots of videos. Like I haven't been doing videos for a long time, so I'm trying to get back in the hang of doing like videos and stuff. I'll probably start doing them on the weekend. I don't have school, during the weekend, so yeah, I'm not doing it on the weekend. Oh, jump. No, we survived! We survived! We survived. We gotta get our health back, though. Yes, we survived. Back in the first person. But we survived. Look at that terrible disaster, bro. That's why they call it natural disaster. It's just a disaster. Party Palace again? It's probably. I hope it's that storm. I've never been in that storm before. What the world was that? I like it. Pink cap. The black flag. Black flag cap.
What did you play Roblox?
Yeah, shut up, bro. That's just my brother. Trying to be funny. That's not really how he talks. He just came in here and destroyed my video. I really don't care. Whoa, miss me. I love that you take this weekend and use this platform. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. Oh, what the world? She's not how big a giant rock. Oh, different. Hey, I'm not even that. Oh. Everything's getting destroyed but this house. Or but the houses. That was easy. Let me check something. Well, guys, this might be where I end my video right here. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Love you all. Bye.